The balance detection of fans, rotors, and rotating bodies, as well as the efficient correction after balance detection, can be achieved by selecting an automatic balance machine. This machine is suitable for product testing needs in categories such as brushless motors, especially for rotors with an outer diameter of about 80 mm. After initial imbalance detection, balance correction can be carried out. The automatic balance machine can match automatic cutting, drilling, laser correction, and other methods according to different fan blade characteristics. The entire process does not require manual labor and quickly complete fan blade correction. The correction position and amount are precise and controllable, professional and trustworthy balancing device, supporting global shipping, device software and parameter customization on demand.